Mats, Mike, congratulations on being the pilots that have flown the historic 100,000th hour of Gripen operations. You must be very proud.
Yeah, I'm feeling very proud today, and I think everybody at Saab should feel very proud today. It's a great milestone for the Gripen program, and we are still busy developing the Gripen, so it feels good.
Mike, as the South African Air Force member of the Saab South Africa project team, you must also be very proud to be part of this historic day.
Yes, we were very fortunate that the 100,000th hour was flown in a South African Gripen, and I was very honoured to participate in that 100,000th hour. But of course the honour and the tribute goes to all the other Gripen pilots that form part of the Gripen order that contributed to the hours flown.
2008 sees the delivery into service of South Africa's first Gripens. How has the flight test programme gone from the customer's point of view, and are the South African Air Force looking forward to flying their Gripens?
The flight test programme has proceeded very well. The aircraft serviceability has been astounding, and the test programme has largely been on schedule. The South African Air Force is eagerly anticipating the arrival of the Gripen. There's a lot of changes have been made within the Air Force environment in preparation to accepting the first Gripens, which should be arriving in March this year.
Mats, we saw a short turnaround during that sortie. Can you explain to us how Gripen manages to do that?
It's one of the fantastic features of Gripen. So we can actually do hot refueling with engine running, and with the minimum of ground crew, just one guy, we can under 10 minutes turn around the aircraft and get airborne again. And we have a lot of those requirements for the Gripen. For instance, we can change the engine on the Gripen in less than 1 hour. So the basic requirements for the Gripen.